How to fix Google Meet presentation no sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet presentation no sound on Android phone. First open Play Store and then type here Google Meet and make sure your Google Meet is updated. And now let's move to the next step. Click settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Meet, click on it, click force stop, and then click storage clear cache. Now go back, try again, your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click permissions, give it all of those permissions here, phone, call logs, and all of those. And that's it, restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.